we're 15 minutes out, so we're good.
When this hits about 600, we'll start down.
Okay. All right, 15 minutes out. We're making 195 knots across the ground.
Bonanza 6310 Vector, roger, altitude via discretion.
10 Vector, thanks.
Boston's Bonanza 166 Tango Sierra at VFR descent.
Bonanza 166 Tango Sierra, roger, thank you, altitude via discretion.
Altitude our discretion, 166 Tango Sierra.
500 for traffic that are you landing at Alton Bay or are you going up to Laconia?
Look at all the traffic.
Yep.
Everybody's
we're landing at Alton Bay, sir, 37 Quebec.
Shit, it's gonna be a
Shit,
for 62 Mike
gonna be a
Papa.
freak show.
November 62 Mike Papa is going to Laconia. 62 Mike Papa, roger, thank you. Just a VFR climb to at least 4,000 just for that traffic. There's numerous targets in the
Yeah, we have to be very careful.
Alton Bay and they're all landing.
All right, 62 Mike Papa climbing to 4,000 feet.
Correction, November 529 at Foxtrot Lima is numerous targets in the vicinity of the Alton Bay, and they're all indicating 4,300 below radar service termination squawk feet buffering chain for today.
Yeah, I think your radio
Tango Sierra is numerous targets in the vicinity of the Alton Bay airport. They're all about 5,000 below radar service termination squawk feet buffering chain for
middle.
We'll go to advisory, thanks. 66 Tango Sierra.
And you're on.
Bay, White Skyhawk taking runway 19, Alt Bay.
Alton Bay, Bonanza due south of the runway 3000, descending into the left downwind for 19.
Alton Bay traffic chart 4 days crossing.
We're gonna be doing, I guess, left downwind, right?
We'll probably go into the crossing over to the left down. We're south now.
3.5 miles to the southwest. We're overflying the field and entering a left downwind.
Alton Bay traffic, Cherokee 7 to the southwest. Follow the traffic in.
Hampton traffic 057 going around again. Entering left downwind for 20 Hampton.
Alton Bay, Bonanza is on the 45 to the left downwind for 19.
Alton Bay Bonanza is 4,300 feet, 10 miles to the south and down for Alton Bay.
4 days left downwind 19, Alton Bay. Alton Bay, I have the traffic that just cut us on crosswind. I'll watch your base.
We're gonna take it easy and just kinda...
Yeah.
Alton Bay traffic, Cherokee
I
4
think
days.
Joe was in at 3,500 when he...
Alton Bay traffic, Swift, 2,300 feet off the approach, the departure end of the runway. Returning a left downwind for 19. It says departing says.
Yeah, Joe is on the downwind, I can see. He's right there.
Alton Bay traffic, Cherokee 4 days, final 19, Alton Bay.
Wow.
Alton Bay, Bonanza turning left base 19.
Traffic 057 on left base for 20 Hampton.
Somebody is above
Alton
us.
Bay, White Skyhawk, left downwind 19 will be
Coming
departing
to
to
the
the
right.
north. Alton Bay.
Alton Bay traffic, Swift, left downwind, runway 19. Have some Cessna traffic at site.
He's coming from the right, and Joe's doing a left down. Everybody's going different.
Alton Bay, Bonanza turning final.
I'm just gonna do left. Everybody's doing left.
That's someone taxiing about halfway down the runway, Joe.
Alton Bay traffic, Skywagon 272 Sierra Charlie, sending through you.
It scares me are the people, not the runway.
Oh yeah, you gotta watch. It's like Oshkosh. On
But in
ice.
Oshkosh, at least somebody is
Oshkosh
supervising.
on ice. But you still gotta watch because you never know what the hell's going on. Alton Bay traffic, Bonanza is 3,500, 4 miles to the south, being bound for runway 19.
Alton Bay traffic, Swift will be turning downwind to base, runway 19, Alton Bay. Landing, go. Alton Bay traffic.
It's right that little stretch over there. I think that's where we're going. All right, let's watch.
Yep.
Alton Bay, 3,000
Yeah, we're right over it.
is 12 to the east,
Right there.
inbound landing, Alton Bay.
Alton Bay traffic, Bonanza just crossing over the top, entering the left downwind for runway 19, Alton Bay.
We'll take it wide.
There's a guy down there, see?
Where?
Right down to your left at 10 o'clock, low.
Yes, I see him. Anybody else?
Oh,
There's somebody behind him.
Oh, I see now. We could probably take it.
Skywagon 272 Sierra Charlie, left
We
base.
could probably take it around that.
right there.
It's on landing. But you see, you could probably take it around that. That guy came in front of that mountain. You might want to come.
You see this guy here?
Yeah, I see him on the runway.
No, there's a guy off of our wing.
Follow Skywagon in, will be number 2 behind
I don't see. Oh, yeah, I see here. He's 900 feet, he's 1,000 feet below us. He's in the downwind too, but he's not talking to anybody. Alton Bay traffic, Bonanza is on the left downwind, runway 19, Alton Bay.
No, he's not saying it.
Alton Bay, Skywagon 2 Sierra Charlie is short final 19.
He's not talking, that guy. Okay, so we're going to follow that guy.
9 o'clock, low, less than 1 mile.
We're going to have to let that guy go. All right.
F-140.
Want to give him good distance.
Thank you.
Yeah, because you want him to stop and you want him to...
You guys out of Keene? Negative. We're out of Orange County in New York.
All right, you see him?
I see him, he's making left base.
Okay, let's call left base following.
Traffic Alton Bay making on a left base. You got a Bonanza behind you. We're going to be entering the left. We're in the left down. We're going to enter left base. Alton Bay.
And Alton Bay Cherokee turning final 19. Alton Bay.
That's the Cherokee.
That's the guy who didn't talk.
Who didn't talk yet.
Asshole.
I give him a little more. They're a little too close to him.
Still too close?
Open.
I think so. Alton Bay traffic, Bonanza is on the left base around 19.
So traffic, Sierra Alpha turning left cross 122,
Where is he?
He's right over the runway. Oh, he's right on the runway. He's just touching down now. Like it just went off. Yeah, he's just on the runway now. Yeah, one guy here.
Yeah, on the runway.
On the runway, one guy at the end.
Yep. All final.
I think you gotta bring it in slow. Bonanza is on final, short final, runway 19, Alton Bay.
Yeah, there's a crosswind, definitely.
You'll be good. Got plenty of room.
What do we do?
Rudder. Probably just tap the brake here and there. Yeah. You're good. You're good. Nice job, man.
How do you know?
Hey, you know what?
That we're good.
Because we're good. We're on the ground and we didn't hit all those planes.
Alton Bay traffic, Cessna 140, take runway
There are people
19
behind me scare me.
for departure
Yep.
to the south. Satavria 2735 Zulu is 5 to the east and bound for landing.
Look, they just slide the thing back. Yeah, he's a guy who's legit.
Alton Bay traffic, Skyhawk 7 Kilo Mike is taking 19 for departure to the south of Alton Bay.
All right, they're pushing Joe back there. Guess they want us to park by that the Cherokee Bellway back there.
Wow, people are like turning around. That's the asshole Cherokee that didn't talk.
Yep.
19.
That's Sasha.
Miles.
Too bad we don't have beep beep. People scare me. Look at that. That dude is like just walking.
They're packing them tight, huh? Yeah, we'll get a nice spot in the end there. Watch your wing on this guy. Or he's sticking out.
So he said just turn around?
Next to this, probably.
I'm afraid I'll slide.
Keep the momentum going and you're doing well.